I have made over $35,000 in just 3 months with only a single Instagram page of AI influencer, and now I am running 4 more Instagram AI influencer pages. And if you want to make Instagram AI influencer like me and earn thousands of dollars per month, so watch this video till end. I will show you the complete process of AI influencer from making to earn thousands of dollars, and all things will be totally free. I have researched that there are lots of video and YouTube are providing half knowledge, like someone is telling that how to make AI image and face swapping only for image, but they are not telling that how to swap face in video and create realistic AI influencer. But today, I will show you the whole process of generating an AI influencer and making money from that. So let's get started. Our video will be completed in 4 easy steps. You can see them now. Step 1. Generating a beautiful face for our influencer. Now go to ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the image generation of beautiful girl. As soon as I enter the prompt, it will generate our prompt for generating the image. Now our prompt is generated. Simply copy the prompt and open any image generation tool you want. We will use Leonardo AI. Now paste that prompt was copied from ChatGPT. It will generate our images in few seconds. We are gonna change the word girl into woman. Now we have generated 12 images for better results. This face is better, so we will download this image. We have found a beautiful face for our model. It's time to get into step 2. In step 2, we will find beautiful and lovely images for our model and replace face with our image. For this, we are going to use CArt AI, which is completely free. You can see various tools for our influencer. Sign up here and you will get 100 credits every day. Now you have various types of model in CArt AI. Go to your lovely model which is relatable for your Instagram model. So I will choose this model for finding images. If you want face from this AI, don't go to Leonardo AI, use only CArt and choose unique face for your influencer. It will save your time. Now it's time to download some images for our first post on Instagram. You can also find prompt and all details about this image and apply for your images. We have downloaded images. These are different types of images with different poses. Now we are going to enter into step 3, where we will create face swap images and videos. For creating face swapping images, we are going to use Face Swapper AI, which is completely free AI tool. You have to sign up here and you will get 10 credits every day. And here you can also see the usage of credits with different types of face swapping, like video face swap, image face swap, and cloth swapping. And if you want to buy the subscription of this AI, you can also purchase it. According to me, this is so cheap prices for the next level tools in this AI. You can use other different facilities which are so useful. You can find this website by clicking link in the description. Now we are going to swap face for our influencer. You have to click on face swap and you will enter this page. Now we will add our face of our influencer, and here we will add our generated image. In few minutes, this AI tool will generate our face swapped image. Wait for some time. Our image is generated, and it costs 1 credit for generating every single image. This girl is so beautiful. You can download this image from here. It's time to swap face in video, so get ready for this. For this, we have to download other influencers' video. I suggest you to use most likable and viral video. This thing will help you to grow faster. This is a tip from my experience. I have 1 video for my influencer, so I am using this. Now add your video here and upload. After few minutes, it will generate face swapped video. You can close it and watch after some time. But watch this before 6 hours, because the account history will be cleared in 6 hours. Now our video is ready. You can watch it. This is our generated image and video. Now it's time to create Instagram page, which will actually create money for us. I will show a complete process of making viral Instagram account. So first, click on sign up and complete your details. After filling your details, click on the sign up button, add your birthday, and fill the confirmation code. After this, Instagram will suggest you some influencers to follow them. I am from India. This is why these are some Indian influencers. If you want to follow them, do it, but I would skip this. Now go to your profile, and from here, you have to do some important things. So watch this video carefully from here. Click on the More button here, which is called 3 lines by most of the people. After this, go to Settings, then Account Type and Tools. Click on Switch to Professional Account. After this, select Creator Account because this is best for public figures, content creators, artists, and influencers. Here you can read it carefully. After this, click Next. Now select a category for your account. I will search for model, you can select what you want. I will choose fitness model, it will take few seconds, so wait for few seconds. After switching it to professional account, complete your profile. Now I am going to use that face-swapped image for our profile picture. Now we are going to write a bio for our influencer. So we will go to ChatGPT and generate our professional bio. ChatGPT is giving us a beautiful bio types for our model. Don't paste as it is complete from ChatGPT, because it has a different view and people understand this was created by ChatGPT. So customize this bio according to you. After completing your profile, click on Submit button. Now before publishing your video, you have to gain some followers, but you have 0 followers and no one knows you. For gaining new followers, search big accounts like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and others which have more than 100 million followers. After this, you have to do one more thing for gaining real followers. For this, you have to search your account type's influencers, and from their followers, follow those followers. But remember, don't do it so much, because if you follow more and more people in one time, Instagram will restrict you and you will get a community guideline strike. So follow less than 25 people in a day. It's time to publish our first post and reel. After this, you have to upload reel and post consistently. If you follow that strategy, you will definitely make money like me. So it was the complete roadmap of creating Instagram influencer and post that perfectly. In starting a video, I have said that I have made over $35,000 in just 3 months with a single Instagram page. So this is extremely true. And if this video will cross 2 lakh views, so I will reveal that account and accounts that I am running. I mean 3 or 4 accounts. I will also show you all of them. So for 2 lakh views, share this video as much as possible. Now subscribing me, you won't want to escape from this wave, because this is Dollars Wave. See you in the next video.